Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where you have to fix application error, a client-side exception in browser on Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So it can happen with any browser, but I'll show on Google Chrome because that's the most popular browser. So open Chrome, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select history and then history once again. Click on delete browsing data, change the time range to all time, click on delete data. The next solution will be to disable extensions. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select extensions and manage extensions. First, try to disable these extensions, and if that helps, then you can also consider removing the extensions. Okay. The next solution will be to update the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then scroll down and select help and click on about Chrome and let it update the browser. And lastly, if everything else fails, simply reset the browser settings. So on the same page, go to reset settings on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select restore settings to the original defaults and then select reset settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.